Good afternoon. Second year BCom Computer Applications, Semester 4, Unit 1, Formatting Tags. We revise the concept again called formatting tags. So, first unit lo వచ్చే first essay type question. First unit lo వచ్చే first compulsory essay type question is called as formatting tags. So, what are the formatting tags? ఎందుకంటే ఫస్ట్ యూనిట్లో వచ్చే మనకి కంపల్సరీ ఎస్సే టైప్ క్వశ్చన్ ఫార్మాటింగ్ ట్యాగ్స్. సో వాట్ ఆర్ ద ఫార్మాటింగ్ ట్యాగ్స్ అండ్ ఆర్ వాట్ ఆర్ ద స్టాండర్డ్ ఫార్మాటింగ్ ట్యాగ్స్? స్టాండర్డ్ ఫార్మాటింగ్ ట్యాగ్స్. సో formatting tags, what is the definition of formatting tags? Means formatting tags are generally used to format some text. Generally used to format some text. What is formatting means? Formatting means to neatly arrange the data or information in a neat and look manner. So there are many formatting tags are available. Not all are up to be written in the exam. So you have to write some at least 10 to 15. You have to write at least 10 to 15 formatting tags in your exam. So what are these are the different formatting tags. So B tag, B means bold, D tag means similarly these formatting tags are again basically some tags are single or singular tags, some tags are single or singular tags, some other tags are double or double-ended tags. Means some tags have only one HTML command and some other tags are having two commands, one for opening and one for closing. So these are the important formatting tags. First one is B. B for bold. Big. Big for big / big means to display the characters in bigger font. EM means emphasize. EM means emphasize. Some similarly small means to display the small letters or small font. Strong means to display strong characters. Sub means subscript. Sub means subscript. What is subtag? Subtag means generally used to display some subscript tags and SUP means superscript. Sub means subscript and SUP means superscript. So what are the HTML formatting tags? Similarly EM means emphasize. Strong means to display the text or data in a strong emphasis tag. Comment tag. Comment tag means generally in HTML less than question mark dot is a commenting tag. Similarly I for italic. I means italic, to display some characters in to display the text or characters in italic manner. Italic means curved manner. Bold or bold face means to display the characters or to display the text in a bold manner. Underline. Underline means U tag. U means underline tag. So U syntax is U/U. Typewriter. Typewriter means TTT/TT. And strikeout. Strikeout means strike/strike. Center. Center tag means center/center. So all these are called formatting tags or standard formatting tags, which is the first essay type question. From first unit, compulsory essay type question. So similarly other tags are block quote and pre. Pre means pre-formatted text. So all these are formatting tags with examples also. There are many other formatting tags are also there, like BR means line break, to insert a line break in a text. HR means horizontal rule, or to insert some line of a line, or to draw some line on a page. So next we discuss about HTML list. So lists, lists, lists is another important question, a set of question from unit 1. They are also called as lists or HTML lists. So what are lists, or what are explain about different types of lists. So here we may explain about what are lists, and how to write, how to create lists, different types of lists, and other things. So what is a list? What is a list? List means to display, generally in HTML, if you want to display or show some points, or display some important points, we may use different types of lists. So generally lists are used to display some or display some important points, or important text, or important paragraphs on a HTML page by using different symbols. So like examples are displaying some text with 1, 2, 3, 4 like that, and displaying some text with bullet symbols, showing or displaying some text with circles, and showing and displaying some text with circle with filled in color, and showing and displaying with some text with rectangular symbols, and showing and displaying with some text with and some arrow keys. All these are all these are the different methods. All these are the different methods used to show or display lists, or some important points on the HTML page. And basically HTML lists are basically two types. So first one is called an ordered list. So HTML lists are basically two types. First one is called ordered list, or OL, ordered list, or OL tag. Second one is called as unordered list. Second one is called as unordered list, UL tag. So by using these two methods, generally we may display or show or type some text or important points on the screen. So so basically there are four types of lists. Basically there are four types of lists are available in HTML. First one is ordered list, second one is unordered list, third one is definition list, fourth one is nested list. So first one is ordered list, second one is unordered list, third one is definition list, fourth one is nested list. So various types of tags are used to represent these types of lists in HTML. So generally ordered lists are displayed or created with OL tag. Ordered lists and list items are created with OL tag, OL/OL. Similarly, unordered lists are created with UL tag. So unordered lists are generally created with UL tags. So what are ordered lists and what are unordered lists? So third type of lists are called definition lists. What are definition lists? Definition lists are generally created with DL tag. Fourth one is nested list. So we may define all these things, and we may define and explain all these things. So what is ordered list, and what is unordered list, what is a definition list, and what is a nested list. So first type of lists are ordered list. Generally what are ordered lists? Ordered lists are generally used to display some text or data or information in a sequential manner, or in a sequence. Like examples like using 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or capital A, B, C, D's, or small a, B, C, D's, or Roman 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. So these are they follow some order, they follow some sequence or order, so that they are called as ordered list. They are created with used and using and creating some order, so that they are called as ordered list. Second type of lists are called as unordered list. Generally, in unordered list, there is no specific order, predefined order. There is no specific predefined order is followed. Means, generally in unordered list, we may use different types of symbols like circles, filled in circles, squares, filled in squares, bullet symbols, and some arrow keys, some star symbols, like that. So all these are generally unordered list uses some symbols to represent the data or information or points, so that when you are using some symbols to represent data or information, means generally there is no specific order or a specific sequence or a predefined sequence. So that they are called as unordered lists. So that they are called as unordered, means not in order or not in sequence, any sequence. And third type of lists are called as definition lists. Generally, definition lists are used to define some terms and their explanations. So, what are definition lists? Definition lists are generally used to define some acronyms or define some terms, like that. And nested lists, fourth type of lists are called as nested lists. What do you mean by nested? Means a list within created or used in another list. Means a list used inside another list is called as nested list. So that type of lists are called as nested lists. So for all these four types of lists, we may use different types of tags. Different types of tags are used for all the lists. So generally for ordered list, we may use OL tag. For ordered list, we may use OL tag or OL/OL. And for unordered list, we may use UL tag, UL/UL. And for definition list, we may use DL tag, definition type DT and DL tags, and nested tags. And for each and another point is, for each and every list, means for these four types of lists, we may use another tag called list item. We may use another term called as list item. What is list item? List item is the term, or list item is the item or some text to be displayed while using some lists. So to display some list items, we may use LI tag. We may use LI tag to display the data or information or lists. So what are the different tags used in HTML tags? UL tag for unordered list, and OL tag for ordered list, and LI tag for list item, DL for tag for definition list, DT tag for definition term, and DD tag for definition description. So these 6 types of tags are used with HTML to define and use HTML tags in HTML programs. So how to create? Next we discuss about how to create and use lists in HTML. So unordered lists, generally to use to create and use unordered list, means we may use UL tag. So and with all these tags, there are many sub syntax or parameters or some additional options are also available. So we start with unordered list. So how to create an ordered list? So the syntax is UL/UL, UL and /UL. So for ordered list and unordered list, there is some parameter or some option is also available. Type parameter is used to specify which type of symbol. Type parameter is used to specify which type of symbol you are required or you are used to display the items. So generally type parameters with unordered list are some circles, square, like that. So the syntax is some unordered list UL, and next is list item li some text slash li, and next li some text slash li. So generally with unordered list there are 2 or 3 parameters or options are available, like circle, square, like that, disk, like that. So next is order list. So how to create an order list in HTML program. So order lists are generally created with OL tag. So by using OL/OL we may create order list, and generally ordered means generally the default type in order list is 1 2 3s or numbers. So if you want to specify, you may change, you are allowed to change the type of symbol used to, means if we give type is equals to capital A, means the list items are displayed with ABCD, capital ABCD. Or similarly, if you give a type is equals to small a, means the list items are displayed with small ABCDs. And if you give type item is equals to small I, means it displays some Roman small. And if you give type is equals to capital I, means it displays the numbers or data with capital Roman 1 2 3 4. So ordered lists have different types of parameters or options. So ordered lists can use numbers and capital letters and lowercase letters or Roman numbers. To use numbers, we may use type is equals to 1 option, and to use letters we may use the type is equals to capital A, and to use lowercase letters we may use type is equals to within quotes small a, and to use Roman small numbers we may use type is equals to capital I small I, and if you want to use capital Roman letters you may use type is equals to capital A. So examples are OL type is equals to 1 and list item /OL. So this is the syntax of creating ordered list and unordered list. So generally li tag, li means list item, li tag means list item is used to display the data or information or list of items in the list. So this is the simple program and example and syntax of using ordered lists. Next is nested list. So in this slide we may explain about nested list. What is nested means we may use a list within another list, means to create and use a list within another list is called as nested list. Means here we may use two lists and one list is used within another list. The type of syntax or the type of lists are called as nested list. So example is UL list item again we are using UL. So there are two UL tags, means we may create two UL tags or unordered list, and unordered list contains another unordered list. So that the type of lists are called as nested list. Next type of lists is definition list. What is a definition list? Generally definition lists are used to define some terms or to explain a term, means generally used to use a term or give a term and explain that term. So that type of methodology is used with definition list. So syntax is DL tag. So how to create a definition list? Definition lists are generally created with DL tag. So DL/DL. DL means definition list. In definition list, we may use different attributes, different tags like DT tag and DD tag. What is DT tag? DT means definition type. DT means definition type. Means by using definition type, we may define some term, and by using DD tag. What is DD? Definition description. DD means definition description, means we simply explain about or describe about the term. So here there are four types of tags are used with definition list. There are four different types of tags are used with definition list. First one is the DL tag. It is a definition list, DL and slash DL. Second type is called as DT tag, DT slash DT. Third tag is called as DD or slash DD. Fourth tag is called as DT tag. DT means definition term. And the fifth tag is called as DD tag, means a definition description. So this is the simple example of using definition list. So next we may discuss about fonts. So how to use fonts, and how to declare fonts. What is font tag in HTML? So to define fonts or to use fonts, so how to create fonts in HTML? So to create and use fonts in HTML, we may use font tag. Font tag is generally used to define various fonts used for different text or different paragraphs. So what is font size? Base font. What is base font and what is font size? So base font. What is base font tag? Base font tag is generally used to define some basic font or default font. And another command is font size. Font size is used to set or change the size of the font. Generally in any fonts, the default value is 3. The ranges is 1 to 7. 1 is the smallest and 7 is the largest. And we may use font face also. Font face command is also used to use different fonts for given text. So there are many types of fonts are available, like Arial black, like that. So next concept is HTML links. So how to use or how to create HTML links, how to create HTML tags in HTML. So generally in HTML we may use links or web links or anchor tag, a tag. It is called as a tag or anchor tag to create HTML links. So how to create HTML links in HTML? So HTML link tag. What is HTML link tag? Means link to other sites. Generally links are used to navigate from one page to another page in a website. So to move from one page to another page, or to navigate directly from one page to another page, we may use HTML links or web links or HTML web links. So generally these links are used to link to other sites, and links to different move or links to different portions of your one page. Means within a page we may move from one position to another position. Means within a page we may move from top to bottom or bottom to top, or top to middle of a page, or top to some specific position, like that. So to create all these types of links we may use a tag. What is a tag? Anchor tag. It is called as anchor. Anchor means anchor tag. So in HTML to do all these things we may use a href tag.